Are you still struggling with getting views here on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to share with you the settings that you have to turn off and on to get views here on YouTube. Now, a lot of new creators think that once you create a new YouTube channel, you just create a channel, organize the channel, and then you begin uploading videos. And the more you upload videos, that is when you can begin getting views. That is not true. On YouTube here, once you create a channel, there are settings that you must turn on and there are settings that you must turn off to get your videos go viral. And if you don't turn off these settings, or if you don't turn on these settings, you're gonna be here on YouTube for years, for months, without going viral, without getting monetized, without seeing any positive results. If you don't turn off some of these settings, your channel will be shadow banned. And if you don't turn on some of these settings, your channel will still be shadow banned, because these settings tell the algorithm something. These settings send to the algorithm some signals, and once the algorithm receives those signals, the algorithm gives attention to your content, and you're gonna begin seeing rotation, you're gonna begin seeing engagement on your channel. And without wasting any time, let's go straight to the settings. Now, the first thing you're gonna do to do these setups is to access your YouTube Studio dashboard. You cannot do these setups without your YouTube Studio dashboard. This time around, I'm gonna use Google Chrome. So you go straight to the search bar right here and you search for YouTube Studio dashboard. This website gonna pop up. I'll click at the website, and once I click at the website, I'm gonna land into my YouTube Studio dashboard. As you see right here, this is my music channel. Once you reach on your YouTube Studio dashboard, you go straight to settings. You click at settings right here, and now after clicking at settings, I need you to be very careful with these steps. Now, there are a lot of settings in the YouTube Studio dashboard, but the settings I'm gonna show you in this video, these are settings that you must turn on or off, because if you don't set up these settings, your channel will always not get any views, not be seen by a lot of people. And now the first setting that we're gonna turn on, it is right here at community moderation. I'll click right at community moderation, and this gonna pop up. Now on this page under content controls, you're gonna scroll through up to the bottom of the settings, or up to the last setting right here, which is link text. You have to turn on this setting, and when you turn on this setting, it has to look like this. Right here it is turned off, and right here it is turned on. So you need to turn on this setting. Now when you turn on this setting, it literally means that you're telling YouTube you don't support spamming links in comments, because we all know that YouTube is against spamming links in the comments. So if you turn on this setting, it literally means that you're blocking the URL or the links that viewers spam in the comments. Some people tend to promote their channels under comments, and they end up copying links and pasting them in the comment section. And doing that, it literally means that you're going against the YouTube community guidelines, because YouTube is against pasting links in the comment section. Now once you're done turning on this feature, you save. What you're gonna do next is to go to content detection right here. Now this is very important. As you see right here, my channel, when I clicked at content detection, it doesn't have any matches, no removal requests, no messages, and achieved. Everything is clean. Now if you check this part and you find out that some of your videos have issues, you need to make sure that you fix that. Now let me show you using this example. This is my main channel, Ben Did It, and when I go to content detection right here, you're gonna find out there are some videos. There are 3 videos that the system has detected. If you see any video of you showing in this page right here, or showing in this setting right here, it definitely means that someone used your video without your permission. YouTube is showing you this so that you can actually fix it. They're not just showing you this to come and see it and leave it like that. You need to react earlier before things turn out for you. And whenever people upload copies of your video on their channels, whenever people use your videos and you don't act, it definitely means that you're not following some copyright acts. And if you don't follow some copyright rights, it definitely means that you're going against some YouTube guidelines. And how do you actually act in case you find this on your channel? Now, for example, let me show you using the first video right here. This is my YouTube video, and this video was re-uploaded to this channel right here, okay? This video was re-uploaded to this channel. This channel has over 1,000 subscribers, and when I check the video, as you see, the video is right here, and this is my own video. And I think this creator keeps on re-uploading people's content, which is not allowed on YouTube. So what you're gonna do, don't mind about this. What you're gonna do is to get back to your YouTube Studio, to this page right here, and what you're gonna do is to go straight to request removal. You need to always request removal, and if you leave them like that, you are going to get problems with YouTube. You may get strikes, you may get some removals or even demonetized because of this kind of stuff. So you need to make sure that you always act in time. All right, another setting. We are back at the channel that we are using to actually experiment this, which is my music channel right here. So I'll definitely go to settings. Okay, the third setting, you go to settings again, you click at channel. Now once you're done clicking at channel, you click at advanced settings right here, and what you're gonna do is to scroll a little bit. You scroll slowly and you're gonna see this right here. There is Google Ads account linking. Now this goes to those creators that pay Google to advertise their channels here on YouTube. What I'm meaning is you pay YouTube and then YouTube advertises your channel so that you get views, so that you get subscribers. People are paying YouTube to advertise their channels. People are paying YouTube to show their videos to audiences out there so that they get subscribers. Now when you pay YouTube to promote your channel and you get subscribers in that kind of a way, those subscribers that you got through promotion, they will never come back to watch your videos. Those people are not even interested in your content. Now what I'm trying to say right at this setting, never run ads for your channel. Never promote your channel on YouTube because you want subscribers, because you want views. At the end of the day, you will get the views. At the end of the day, you will get subscribers, but your channel will remain stuck. You will not get engagement on your channel. Your channel will end up dying and you're gonna end up giving up on your channel after spending a lot of money promoting your channel. All right, another setting is right here, still in the same area. Allow advertisers, brands, and third-party platforms to view channel insights for earning opportunities. Now this goes to monetized channels. If your channel is monetized, you need to turn on this setting. By turning on this setting, you're going to get more brand deals, and if you get more brand deals, it determines that you get more earnings. You can even earn more money from brand deals than AdSense. All right, another setting on the same page, we scroll down slowly. Okay, on the same page, you just scroll down, you're gonna see this right here, video quality enhancements. Let YouTube enhance visual quality. You need to turn this on. Okay, if you find it turned off, turn it on. Let YouTube enhance audio quality. You need to also turn this on, and by turning on, it definitely means that you're checking this part right here. You need to make sure that these marks are checked, as you see right here. Okay, you need to make sure that these marks are checked. Now the reason why you need to turn on this setting, if your camera is not of good quality, if your microphone is not of good quality, when you turn on this setting, YouTube will enhance the quality of your video. YouTube will enhance the quality of your microphone. Did you know that some creators have great content but their equipments are poor? Now this time around, YouTube has realized that and they have brought up these features. You need to turn on these features to enhance both your video and your audio. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Check out this playlist for more videos about YouTube settings. If you don't know anything about YouTube settings, if you don't have any idea on how to set up your YouTube channel, check out this playlist, because this playlist contains all episodes of videos about YouTube settings. So you need to first of all set up your YouTube channel before you can continue uploading your next uploads. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.